I'd like to go back in time and look back at when I was an up-and-coming creative. I mean, I've been a creative my whole life. I remember learning Photoshop when I was literally a child. And the amount of effort and time it took to practice your craft was definitely an experience that a lot of people might not experience in the future, if that makes sense. I think we obviously, in an automated world, we've got these tools that can do most of the work for us, but at the end of the day, the creativity will always be in my head. And back in the day, as much as I had to do it myself, I was limited by my own skills. And I feel that today it's unlocked a whole set of tools that save me a lot of time, but also let me iterate, experience, and build things I could only have dreamt of that was not possible before. And maybe that could have taken me a whole lifetime to do before, if I really had to have practiced my craft every day, if I really had to have spent so much time trying to figure it out and failed so many times and maybe succeeded, which is an uncertainty. At the end of the day, I feel that the tools we have today and the tools that I've seen develop over the last few years has definitely improved the way I feel about being a creative and the way that I create in general. I feel very untapped. I feel very in control. And those are things I don't think I've ever felt before. As much as I felt in control in the past, it never really was control, if that makes sense.